Namaste, I'm Binita, a mentee at KaggleX mentorship program cohort 3. I'm presenting my project, geospatial analysis of air pollution data. Before that, my background, I'm a data science graduate from University of Greenwich and currently employed in data and statistical department in Bank of England. Previously, I've worked in a project as a project lead and also freelance couple of the data related projects, and I'm immensely thankful to my mentor who has guided and supported me throughout this project. Project definition. So this project identifies regions with the best and worst air quality. It tracks the changes over the time, and this involves the air pollution data analysis and visualizations at three different geographical levels like country, state, and county from 2019 to 2022, as the air quality is a global concern and understanding it is really crucial for health and environmental awareness. General background: air quality index, which is also commonly known as AQI, is a standardized method utilized by government agencies to communicate the quality of air. It operates in the scale of 0 to 500, and here are the measuring components: common pollutants. um, so we have used geospatial data science, data manipulation libraries, and visualization libraries. Have also referred to Kaggle geospatial analysis and gain valuable knowledge in data aggregations and geospatial data handling using GeoPandas. Besides, the official websites were also very useful. So talking about the data and its sources, the air pollution data, world countries, USA states and counties data sets were used for the project, and the links or the sources has been included here. Moving forward with the project analysis. So this is the world countries data visualization. So this analysis offers a worldwide view of air quality by aggregating data at a country level. So we have kept the scale from 0 to 80 for better visualizations in our plots. The results emphasize the urgent requirement for enhanced air quality, particularly in the countries, in the continents like South Asia and North Africa. So comparison, if we compare, the cleaner and healthier air can be seen in the continents like Australia and South America with their lower AQI values. The box plots here represents the distributions and fluctuations of AQI values among those countries, and the mentioned countries like Russia, Brazil, USA, China, and other countries' cities have the highest AQI values. In case of India, there is a noticeable extended section of the cities with high AQI value as well. The similar case here, these countries have a noticeable maximum outliers than others. The output can also may differ when examining with other components like NO2, ozone, PM 2.5, and PM 10. Moving forward with the USA states, in this slide, the data is grouped by air and is merged with the state level air quality data, resulting in individual visualizations for each year. We can see Texas, Nebraska, and Montana experience low or poor air quality in 2019, but achieve or maintain best quality by 2020. Alaska, on the other hand, has consistently maintained good air quality throughout the period, while Kansas witnessed a decline in air quality over the same time frame. The similar for the county level, we see there are a lot of white spaces caused by the missing values in the data sets, which was later replaced by one, and it's a minimal value, so it's a lot of visualizations are have less differences compared to the one I've shown above. So if delve down, Riverside County consistently records the highest max AQI value each year, while Latah County consistently reports the lowest mean and median AQI value. Okay, so this project actually covers the trends and variations in the air quality data across the multiple areas and different geographical regions, offering valuable insights. And um, I believe that this can serve as essential knowledge for awareness and for making informed decision. And talking about my next step, I've recently got the 100% discount for the Carto event happening on the November. And my mentor helped me with that. So I'm very grateful and I can't wait to participate and enhance my skill. So using those skills, I further plan to create an interactive and user-friendly data visualizations using the Streamlit app, and maybe incorporate the real-time air quality data sources. So I'm looking forward to it. And I have included all my presentations, GitHub links, and Medium links here. So I'm very thankful for the opportunity provided by Kaggle. Thank you so much.